All right, so for the techs that are still learning, this is a trick that I always use when I can if you have enough wire slack. So I'm changing this contactor, this one right here. What I do is I unfasten it from the unit and I pull it away with the wire slack that's available, and then I put the new contactor on, all right, just like that. And then now you can go wire for wire. You can take this wire off, put it back into place, this wire, put it back into place, and then that's an easier way so you don't screw up where the wire goes. What I still recommend you do is still take a picture just in case you get messed up. I mean, there are wiring diagrams for most of these units that you're going to work on, but having a picture of the actual application, what it looks like, is a really good usage for it. So for instance, this is the first leg on the load side of the contactor. I just pull that out, kind of move it to the side, and put it back to the first leg of the new contactor, and then we go wire for wire, and that ensures everything goes back into its correct place. Happy HVACing.